one, your guy is back. This is Sam Nkemdirim Agoha, great speaker, Grand Aviation at Munich International Airport. Guys, pick your pen, pick your book. Let's go to work. Today we are talking about how do I become productive, because it is one of the most important aspects of life. Productive is the highest form of creation. Guys, this is the key. You understand how to become productive in life, because this is what is going to help you to come out from the problem you are facing, and it's going to make you to become whatever you want to become in life. Because the only key to regulate and controlling time, planning, and all this stuff that rule for the system is to become productive in life. Here is the key. What is productive? Productive is to become a producer. This is the key, because these are the keys that all this food industry is using. The same key food industry is using. The same key food industry is using. The same key car industry is using. And this is the key that makes some of the world nations more rich, and individuals that control billions because they produce. My question is, what are you producing? Guys, if you want to become produced in life and become more effective and productive, guys, you have to mentor yourself. You have to focus on yourself. You have to improve in knowledge. You have to work on yourself. You have to break your project into step by step, because to become a productive is the only key for you to regulate and control time, planning, and all this stuff that control the system. Because most people are suffering because they are not productive in life, because they can't produce. Guys, the only key for you to survive in this system is to become a producer. This was the first law that God gave mankind, for us to become a producer. But most people are paralyzed in producing because they don't even know their self. So here, host is giving you the key for you to become a producer in life, because that is what is going to make you whatever you want to be in life, is to be effective in producing. Guys, the key and the method, once you become a producer, you have to use the method of 80-20. It means using 20% of what you do every day to give you a result of 80%. Guys, this is the only key that is going to solve all this problem we are pushing. Let us become producing, like food industry, like car industry. All these are the secrets to regulate time, change, and planning. Let us become producer. Guys, we have to improve our knowledge. We have to focus more on ourselves. We have to focus on our goals. This is the only key for us to become more productive in life. Guys, let's work on ourselves. Let's focus on our goals. This is the key for us to become more effective in life. Guys, like this video, share this channel. This is it. Now we day here all the way from Munich